In 28 days, I'm going to cover 28 questions or topics related to selling your home. Welcome to 28 and 28. I'm the host of Real Estate Analysis with Donnie, Weddle. You're watching episode 22. And our topic is, how's the market in Oklahoma? Well, I want to start by saying it depends. One thing I've always left my clients is from a neighborhood to neighborhood, what side of the street house sits on can have an impact on how well a home will sell. We all know the old saying, location, location, location. While that is so true, you need to understand home conditions, interest rates, and other conditions impact the market in a certain city or town. I want to take a look at the greater Tulsa area to start. If you look at my chart from Altos Research this past week, you see that the market is on fire. This week, the median list price for Tulsa, Oklahoma, in area code 74133, is $326,000, with the market action index hovering around 76. This is an increase over last month's market index of 69. Inventory has held steady at or around 25. So what does that mean? If you're wanting to buy in 74133 zip code, be ready to put in an offer on a home where you will be competing against multiple buyers. Now let's take a look at Broken Arrow. This week, the median list price for Broken Arrow, zip code 74012, is $275,900, with the market action index hovering around 92. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 91. Inventory has decreased to 25. Now let's take a look at some small cities around the state. Let's start with Ada, Oklahoma. This week, the median list price for Ada is $199,900, with the market action index hovering around 40. This is less than last month's market action index of 46. Inventory has increased to 75. Ada is considered a slight seller's market. Now, on to Durant. This week, the median list price for Durant, Oklahoma is $295,255, with the market action index hovering around 54. This is an increase over last month's market action index of 48. Inventory has decreased to 30. Durant is considered a strong seller's market. I actually have a buyer that I've been helping with the purchase of a new house in the Durant area. Now I'm going to tell you, the market is crazy in this area. I mean, in real estate, we use the term on fire to describe a busy market. I would say this market is nuclear. So if you have a property in this market, you should call me so we can list it and bank you some cash. Okay, let's look at my hometown of McAllister. This week, the median list price for McAllister, Oklahoma, zip code 74501, is $159,000, with the market action index hovering around 48. This is less than last month's market action index of 49. inventory has increased to 67. Home sales continue to outstrip supply, and the market action index has been moving higher for several weeks. This is a seller's market, so watch for upward pricing pressure in the near future if the trend continues. Let's recap. How is the market in Oklahoma? Well, today I've covered some areas from the middle to the southeastern part of the state. And we'll say that Oklahoma is a seller's market this week. If you have a zip code you would like to see, call, text, or email me with the zip code in your email address so I can send you the search for your zip code. Please share or like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Real Estate Analysis with Donnie Weddle.